So here we have a little Carrier. This is supposedly, oh, they're like making a mural here. Cool. There's this Carrier. It's not running right now. It's a big fat one with 3 blades. Copeland scroll compressor. 2011. I think. Yeah, it's kind of an older one. So this here is an art museum. A very small art museum, but it's closed today. What the? Oh, it's probably that Carrier Gemini over there. That one there. There's also one here. There's 2 Carrier performance series, and I have no idea what those things are. That thing is loud as hell, and it doesn't really sound good. What the hell? Sounds really weird. Like I can't get to those. But there were some things that looked like really old refrigerating components, and I have no idea what they are. And that one Carrier Gemini sounds terrible. That thing sounds terrible. Oh, look at this artwork. And here's the lake, and you can just like sit down, and I can still hear that thing rattling. I meant to say rattling. It's so loud. Here are these units again. Yeah, now the parking lot is empty. Last time I tried going over here, but there were like cars everywhere, so I didn't want to film. But yeah, most of them are on the roof. Some Trane XE1000s and a Goodman and an older Carrier, and then there are these 2 Goodmans here. This one definitely has a Bristol based on the sound of it. Yeah, but that's a benchmark one, I think. I don't think it has been running today though. It's from 2013, I think. And this one, where's the compressor on this one? Oh, this one also has a Bristol. Yeah, I doubt that either of these have been running. Look at this giant, this huge Danfoss reciprocating compressor. Oh, it just turned off. American's also running. I think one of these. Oh, this has a Copeland reciprocating. Oh, this one sounds nice. This one wasn't running last time, but it has a very small one. So that refrigeration thing just turned off. You can't really mount the camera. Oh, maybe I could put it here. I'll just wait for it to turn on. This one. If you heard that, that was one of the Lennoxes turning on. I got it. Finally, I got it. Yeah, now it's running. Copeland. Oh, listen to that echo. Oh. So I got a few startups actually. And then there are these units, these Tranes. And then... oh, this one turned off. Now I can get this one. Might have an issue. It is from 2012. I think it is a 3-ton, but I'm not sure. Now it sounds a lot like our grandparents' Trane, and these two here have scrolls in them. Oh, I love that sound. It sounds amazing. So I already filmed this area, but like there's this like big cell tower here, and I'm guessing that in this box there's like some computer equipment or something, because there's two really big barred wall-mounted units on either side. Here's two Trane Oddyseys. I think both of them are running. I think I might have heard one of them turning on. They have very loud fans. Yeah, there's another barred there. Goodman packaged unit on the roof, well, sort of on the roof, and there's like a little Carrier over there. I think the Carrier is running actually. There's also another small Carrier on the roof over there. Oh yeah, this Carrier is running. It's like rattling, and it has a hurricane pad. I suppose that's for hurricanes, and I don't know what that is. Looks like it might be some kind of old air conditioner or something. Cat! Here's 4 new Goodmans at the Barkhaven. Sounds running, it sounds nice. And these are 14.3 SEER. And I don't know if I could get the data on one of these. It's too hard to read it because the data sheet is like, yeah, but this is like the new kind, so I'm guessing it's from maybe like 2023 or something. And here's a mini split. It's from Bristol. I can't read that. It's behind the data is behind bushes, but it pulls this little thing here. American Standard. It's on top of. I can't read the data on it though. It's like I would have to zoom in on that. Yeah, it's a Nordyne. It has a scroll compressor. But what, this is an American Standard. I thought only Trane made these. And this is an air temp. It's from 2010, I think. And the Nordyne 2013 3-ton. Oh. This Mitsubishi mini split is running. But of course, I only hear the fan. We have a very small Carrier Gemini. A very small one. I don't know what compressor it has. I think that's a... What the heck? I think it's a scroll, but it looked larger than a scroll when tell though. There's a Carrier comfort on that roof. Here's a Rheem mini split. I've never seen a Rheem mini split before. It's an inverter, I think. And I don't know how to read the data on it, but it's running. I don't know how well you can see this, but there is what appears to be an older Carrier Gemini split system and some other units. And what I saw on Google Maps, I think these are new chillers that they just added. And I think they used to have like an older one, and I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a temporary chiller. What the heck? It's a temporary chiller or something. These are Carrier Aqua Force. Yeah, I think these are new. I think whatever I saw on Google Maps must have been like some very old chiller. These look new. Compressor is probably inside that compartment. Yeah, I guess they had like some other kind of unit there and they replaced it. Oh, there's a little Carrier split system of some sort. But here's a little Aireflo. From 2017. Just shut up. There's the cooling towers right there. I don't think the system is even running right now that the museum is closed.